Hi everybody, and a very warm welcome to Susannah's Kitchen, wishing you a very Merry Christmas. And thank you for choosing to click on this video. So we make everything in the Ninja Foodi here, and Christmas is no exception. Of course, I don't expect you to be making a whole Christmas dinner for like 10 people using just one Ninja Foodi, but these recipes aren't just for Christmas Day. These recipes are for the full festive season. So I've got you covered with everything from party nibbles, starters, main courses, desserts, drinks. I've got the full works going on this December, so I really hope you enjoy these videos. Don't forget to give me a like below and subscribe to my channel as well. So today's recipe is an exclusive cookbook recipe. I've got a brand new Christmas cookbook that I have just released over on my website, which is www.susannahskitchen.uk. So go over there and grab yourself a copy. Now you don't need to worry about saving this video for today's recipe because there'll be a QR code in the cookbook which will link back if you do want to watch the recipe video again. And all my recipes are super achievable and of course really delicious. So I hope you enjoyed today's Ninja Foodi recipe. Let's go and start cooking. These baked creamy garlic mushroom pots are absolutely perfect for Christmas and make a delicious starter. Plus it's veggie as well, which is great if you need that. So this recipe is exclusive to my Christmas cookbook. So this video will go alongside, so if you want the full list of ingredients and the method, then just head over to grab a copy of that brand new Christmas cookbook, available on my website, www.susannahskitchen.uk. As you can see, I've started off with some butter in the bottom of the pot and we're on sear and saute. Into there, I'm going to add my mushrooms. Now these mushrooms are cooking down pretty well, I like to season them. And then I add in my garlic and my chopped parsley. I've divided the mushrooms up into my ramekins. It's nice to put them in ramekins because then these can be baked really easily. If you want to make this recipe for say 6 people, 8 people, then you can just multiply the quantities that I'm using so easily to make this for more. But I'm just showing you today, if it was a starter for 4 people, this is what you would do. In this bowl, I have got my creme fraiche and also my cream cheese, and I've just mixed those together. And now I'm going to divide that equally, well, roughly equally, on top of my mushrooms. So you can see that this is a really nice, easy recipe. Doesn't take too much time because that is the thing at Christmas. You know, we're all struggling for time and to make things that taste really amazing and impress our friends and family, but also don't give us too much stress. So I think you're going to like this one. Just going to steal a little bit out of this ramekin, put a little bit too much in that one. They look around equal. If you really want to make sure they are perfectly equal, then of course you could weigh it if you want to. I've topped them with a little bit of grated Parmesan. You can use whatever cheese that you like. There's been loads of different cheeses that would work so well with this dish. I now want to get these on to bake. If you've got more than this, you might prefer to use the rack. They fit in my air fryer basket, so I thought, why not use it? There we are. Get the lid down and bake those until they are bubbling and gorgeous.